What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Auntie TT, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's get right into the video of me installing this gorgeous wig that I have on my head right now. See you in the outro. Let's go. That you just watched me install is by Sensationnel. I have it in the style Butta Unit 13. I have it in the color Balayage Chocolate, and it is part of the Butta Lace from the makers of What Lace. It has HD lace, it's pre-plucked. It has wide parting ear-to-ear lace. The features include virtually undetectable HD lace, blends well with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hairs, natural hair density. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It is 100% premium fiber, and it retails for $39.95 at the time of recording this video. So now on to my thoughts of this unit. Okay, let's start with the bad first. Let's finish off on a good note. So it sheds. It tangles. There are a few flyaways, not too much, and I don't know, it's too long for me. Like, I don't like long wigs. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't like long hair, period. I don't know what's wrong with me. But on to the good. The color, honey. Do you see these highlights? Oh my gosh, they're to die for. I didn't even be able to do a half up, half down. I should have done a half up, half down. Dang nabbit. It's okay. I love the color. I love the HD lace. I love the parting area, but I wish I had flexibility to part any which way I wanted to. because I don't think I like my wigs part on that side. I think I like it part on this side falling this way. Does that make sense? But yeah, so I don't like the length, I don't like the flyaways, I don't like the shedding, but I do like the HD lace. I do like the color. I do like that it is big head friendly and it's easy to install. So yeah, you can also do a nice, wrong side, a nice evening with the hubs. Do it like so. Take a bobby pin, stick that sucker in there, give it an evening summer vibe. Like, yes, Auntie Titi's in the house. Yes. Okay, let me stop. Let me show you on the back of the wig. Should I put it down? No, it's cute like that. Y'all just gonna have to deal with the back like that. I'm sorry. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Auntie Titi feels so gorgeous in this wig. Yes, she does. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing, liking, hitting that notification bell so you are aware of next time I upload. And don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend and another friend and another friend to check out Auntie Titi's videos. Thank you for watching. You're the real MVP. Bye.